Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can reset the pin code for your Honeywell thermostat. So it's super simple. From the back of the product, when you're gonna have it from the back, like I have it right here, you're gonna find this number. I have it 1928. And what you have to do is that this is like really simple. You have to go 1928 plus 1234. Okay? And you always want to count what you have the number here from the back plus 1234. And let's give us the number 1928 plus 1234. It's 3162, and that's the number that I would write if I forgot my pin. So this is like something that's going to work. So again, you can have the number right here, and you want to add to it 1234, and then the final number you just want to write, and that is going to be the pin code that is going to work if you forgot yours, and then you can change it if you want to. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.